Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fill these leaves in embroidering. I am using all the 6 strands of thread in a thick needle with blunt tip. Insert the needle at the tip of the leaf and pull over. Now insert the needle right in the middle point of the leaf and pull back. Again take the needle out towards the left side of the tip and insert back below the center point. Again take the needle out on the right side of the tip and insert back below the center point. Again one stitch on the left and the other stitch on the right alternately till the end of the leaf. We should put the stitches one on the left side and one on the right side. And now I have finished the first leaf. Again in this same method I'll put the leaf on the other side. I hope you can follow this easily. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have posted so many videos regarding the embroidering stitches, all the basic embroidering stitches, and I have given all the links in the description. You can go to the links and learn those stitches. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so fast, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. Thank you for watching.